Lesson 27.
Reading practice number 6. Dear Mrs. Lang, as you probably read in yesterday's newspaper, Long Island Florist will operate as a division of the Spring Street Seed Company beginning next Friday, November 12, paragraph. Long Island Florist has been serving Long Island ever since 1920, period. It consists of an attractive shop and 6 air-conditioned greenhouses, paragraph. In my opinion, this new addition to our business makes us the only complete flower organization in Long Island, period. My uncle, Mr. Roy Banks, is the new manager, period. Stop in soon and speak to him regarding your particular flower needs, period. He has been in the flower business for more than 10 years and has lots of ideas on flower arrangements, period. Flowers are his favorite subject of conversation, paragraph. At this time, I would like to thank you for placing your orders with us regularly, period. You have made this new addition to our business possible, period. I hope, Mrs. Lang, we will have many opportunities to serve you, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 7. Dear Mr. Lincoln, your newspaper advertising business is quite valuable, period. Undoubtedly, you have spent many years building up the strength and reputation of your business and making it a success, period. You have probably invested every spare dollar in it, period. If you were to die suddenly, comma, you would certainly wish to pass it along in good condition to your heirs. Paragraph. One thing you should think about, comma, of course, comma, is that Uncle Sam will insist on his full share, period. Your estate will demand additional share, period. This could cause your heirs great difficulty, period. Do you have any idea how or where they will get the necessary cash without selling part of their business? Question mark. In our opinion, comma, this will not be a problem for them if you immediately take out our regular business insurance, period. Our representative, comma, Miss Lydia Yale, comma, will be glad to give you full details on this subject, period. She will be able to work with you to help you choose a plan that will be best for your particular needs. Paragraph. Jot down on the enclosed card when Miss Yale may call to speak with you regarding our business insurance, period. Then send the card to us in the envelope that we have provided, period. Sincerely yours. Practice number 8. Dear Mrs. Strong, colon, you have probably read our advertisement in the afternoon edition of your local newspaper regarding the opening of the drive-in branch of our bank directly across the street from the Franklin bus station, period. We are particularly proud of this branch because it is our first, paragraph. It is a sign of the general progress we are making, period. In our opinion, comma, the additional banking accommodations of this branch will enable us to do a satisfactory job of meeting every regular banking need of each of our clients. Paragraph. We suggest that you stop in and let us show you our new branch. Period. We think you will like it. Period. The branch will be open from 9 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. Period. Cordially yours. Reading practice number 9. Dear Dr. Underwood, yesterday I was requested to make a short speech at the banquet of the Newspaper Editors Association on the advantages of automation in the printing industry. Period. The banquet will be held Monday, January 18, at the General Manufacturing Company building in St. Louis, Missouri, at 7 o'clock in the evening. Period. I am unable to accept this very flattering invitation because of several rather important engagements I made for January 18, paragraph. In my opinion, you are without question the acknowledged leader in the subject area of automation and can share many of your ideas concerning new developments in the field with the group. Period. I wonder whether you could attend the meeting and take over this special assignment for me. Paragraph. An addressed envelope, which does not need any postage, is enclosed. Period. Please use it to let me know whether you can take my place. Period. Sincerely yours.